We're just on our way to a pop-up market on Portland Square. So we pick up some bits. We've been invited, so it's going to be lots of fun. And they've given us £75 to spend, so it's going to be good.
You happy?
Happy.
What did you get? Loads of stuff?
Okay, let's look at what I got. I got this cute scarf. I just love it. I got this Looney Tunes little sweatshirt. And then my favourite thing so far, actually, is like this long maxi skirt in this print. So
You'll have to do like a little haul later.
yeah, I'll do a little try
Try it on.
Yeah.
Where are we going to go now?
We're going to go to Artist Residence, our favourite place, and get a coffee. Get a coffee. See ya.
Let's go.
Let's go in. Okay, stop. Firstly, please ignore the planets in the background. We actually had a party and we haven't taken anything down yet. But I was going to try on some of the bits that I got in the vintage market. Starting off with this little jumper. I really liked the embroidery with the little Looney Tunes characters on, so I went for that. And yeah, I think it's cute. Okay, next up I'm going to try the maxi skirt. I've actually already tried it on, so I know it's too big, but I wanted to show you. I think it needs taking in, but I don't know if I can do it. So I've just started with a plain white t-shirt. Actually, I love it so much, but it's too big. Like, it doesn't look big now. It's literally like too elastic. I also got this scarf, which I really love. I think it was only like a £5 or something, but I have actually worn it out a few times already, and it's just cute. I don't know. I also got a package from Glass Onion delivered today. They're the company or the brand who held the vintage market. So they sent me some bits, jeans, Dickies jeans, and I think it was 2 tops, or a jumper and a top. So I'm gonna see. Oh my god. Whoa. So I've got this cute crochet top, a little bit oversized, which I like. I got some Dickies carpenter jeans. Oh my god, they're tiny. These don't fit. I was so excited about them as well. So the top's really cute. I think it would be really nice for summer. This is the cute little knitted jumper. Cool, so that's everything I got. Kind of successful, you know, maybe some alterations need to be made, but I'm pretty happy. And I'm gonna get changed now because I'm fucking boiling. We're going to Harborside.